Hello developers, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we have worked with this Laravel Snappy package. We have learned how we can install and configure it in our Laravel application. We have generated PDF file from the HTML markup, and we have learned how we can send dynamic generated PDF file into the email. And we have also seen the testing feature provided by this package. So in case if you have not watched that video, I strongly recommend you to watch that first before continuing this video. Now in this video we will print Google chart into the PDF document. Before moving ahead, a quick reminder: if you are new to the channel, hit the red subscribe button and press bell icon so whenever I upload new video you get notified. So now let's start. In the editor, routes web.php. So first let's remove all of these, and here we will say PDF is equal to PDF load view. Let's say load view from PDF dot chart, and then we will return $PDF stream. It will display the PDF file in the browser. Now let's create this chart blade file. So in the resources, view, PDF, here we'll create charts.blade.php. Here let's say print Google chart and see if everything is working. Refresh, and here we get the PDF file. So far everything is good. Now here in this blade file we will add markup for Google chart. So first let's search Google charts and let's open this charts gallery, and let's say this pie chart. Now from here I am going to copy this all markup, and this markup will generate pie chart like this. So here I am going to paste this. Here it still not work. Let's see. Refresh, and we got the blank PDF file. There are a couple of reasons that it is not working. The first reason is this Laravel Snappy depend upon this WK HTML to PDF, and this WK HTML to PDF allow us to execute JavaScript, and that is very cool thing. By default this binary file disables the JavaScript execution. So first thing we need to enable it. If we scroll down, here is the manuals for the options for the WK HTML to PDF, and here we will search enable JavaScript right here. Let's copy this. Now in the web, right here we say $PDF set option enable JavaScript is true. Now we have enabled the JavaScript execution, but it will still not work because this WK HTML to PDF can only run old JavaScript syntax, and here this Google Charts JS has some newer JavaScript syntax which is not allowed in the WK HTML to PDF. So here we will use Google Charts version 1.1. So here we will replace this with http www.google.com/jsapi, and make sure do not include HTTPS. Now here instead of this, here we'll say google.load. Here I'll pass visualization. Next here we'll pass version 1.1, and then pass object packages for chart and call back this function. Let's remove this comment. It will execute immediately when it hits this page, but here we don't want that. It should execute once this JavaScript is loaded and the document is ready. So here we'll say function init, and in this function I'll paste that code. Now right here we will say on load execute this function. Now let's see if it works. Refresh. It is still not work. because it is trying to load this. So here let's add some JavaScript delay to give some time to load this JavaScript. For that, here you can see we have another option, JavaScript delay. So here we will say JavaScript delay. Let's add 1000 millisecond. Here I will also add another option. It was something slow script. This one, no stop slow script. So it should not stop for the slower script. Here we pass true. I will also like to add one more option, smart shrinking, for intelligent shrinking strategy. Now let's try. This time it should work. Refresh. Here it is, we got the chart. Right here, this is the data. We can also pass it from here like this. Data. Let's change its value, and here we can say at for each $data as row and for each. Now here we can print $row 0 and comma $row index 1. At 0 index we have these values, and at 1 index we have these numbers. Now let's see. Refresh. It did not work. Oh, actually we forgot to add comma right here. Now refresh. It should work now. And here we get the data. Instead of this, we can also add var data is equal to new google dot visualization dot data table, and then here we'll add data dot add column. Column type is string and it is this one. Next column type is number and it is hours per days. Yeah, the format of the data is exactly same here we need. So here we can say data dot rows at JSON, then we pass data. Now refresh. It did not work. Oh, it's not rows, it is add rows. Now refresh again. Here we get the pie chart printed. If our data is not in this format, then here we can say data dot add rows. Same this for loop right here. Now let's refresh if it works, and it's working. Let's try out any other charts also. Let's try this line chart. Here I am going to copy this draw chart function and I will replace it right here. And right here copy this ID and paste it right. Now let's see if it works. Refresh. And here we get the line chart. And of course you can load these data from the route controllers. This is all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe us. See you in the next video.